Do you want to know how to add units to your Facebook group? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. I upload several videos every week, and I really try to make content that is going to help you grow online. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add units to your Facebook group. It's incredibly easy to do, and it's a very good way to organize your content and make it easy for people to learn what you are teaching in your Facebook group or find the content that you are publishing and sharing in your Facebook group. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's go. It's dead easy. You'll see. So here is what you have to do. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going in a group which has no members in it, just to show you how to do this, okay? So this is the new layout, okay, of Facebook. And I'm going to show you how to do it in the new layout. So what you need to do is go down here in Admin Tools. Then you click here on Settings, okay? And here you go down. There's all sorts of things you can do. I'll make more tutorials with this new layout. But basically what you need to do is here, add extra features. And here you click here, add, social learning units, add. So this tab now has been added to the group. And it's here now. This is the thing. So now that you have this, you can go here and create a unit, okay? And then here you could do, unit 1, description, I don't know, mindset, let's just say, save. And then there you go. You have a unit, okay? Then within that unit, you will create a post, okay? So there you create post and you say, I don't know, mindset, tips 1, let's just say, and then, you write your post and you put a picture. You can add a video, for instance, anything you like really, and then you post it. So now, of course, you can add more posts. You can create, your unit can have many posts. There you would just create different posts, and then you would put mindset tips 2 and write whatever and create the post, okay? And then now you have two posts in the unit, and then you can reorder the posts inside the unit by clicking here. You tap here and you can reorder the posts, and then you would bring this down here, and then that's it, okay? It's really as easy as this. Little bonus tip, I will show you how I have organized some units, just so you can see how cool it can be. In my own group, that's a proper group with members in it. If I click on here, you will see. So I have units here, and as you can see, so I have unit 1, it's just welcome, it's got a video of me, okay? But unit 2, you see, I have actually organized it with, I have, 6 posts in there, you see? So every time somebody clicks on there, they get the full, the full lesson, okay? That there, I just have a video, I don't have a lot of text, okay? I'll show you as well. You can organize then, for instance, at the moment, I have something going on in my group. I will show you. I have something going on in my group which is called 100 days to till the end of 2020, and every day I publish a tip of the day. So what I do is every time I've published a tip, for instance, this tip was today, I published it, there's 93 days to go. So once I've published it, what I can do is click on here on these three little dots, and well, of course, okay, I've already added this. Okay, so this is not a very good example because I've already added it, but when I post tomorrow, my 92 days to go, when I've posted this on the actual feed of the group, you know, I'll click here, and here I will have the option of adding this post to a unit. Okay, I could show you in another post, for instance, that I think I've already added it. Yes, I do the same when I go live. I go live every week in the group to give live training. When I finish that, I add this to a unit. Okay, does that make sense? So for instance, let's just say that I wanted to add this post to a unit. I click here, and you see I could do this. I could click here, add post to unit. Then it gives me the choice of all the units that I've created. So I could add it to tips for busy people, whatever. Okay, I'm not going to do that, but you get the idea. So this means that then really what you have in your group is almost a little membership site with content. Okay, because you have all these units that are really pretty well organized, and you know, you can have as many units as you want. And again, another little bonus tip. So what I do is I have a pinned post, okay, with instructions. And for instance, you could totally in this pinned post say, you know, step 1, check the learning unit and make sure you go through them, you know, something like that. You know, you can really organize your Facebook group in an absolutely great way that is going to help people, you know, learn whatever it is you have to learn. I mean, my group here is about affiliate marketing, but I have another group called Easy and Gluten Free, so it's a completely different niche. And you know, I also created some units, although I'm not looking after that group very much at the moment, but the fact is that, you know, there my units are, you know, I have a how to make gluten-free bread recipe method, where I have a series of videos about, you know, all the steps you have to follow to make gluten-free bread. So it's a completely different topic. You could do this in absolutely any niche, you know, whatever you are trying to teach or show people, you know, tell people about. You can organize that in units. It's like super valuable. So I hope this helps.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you can go and add those units to your Facebook group right now. They really are a great way for you to be able to organize your content and create a very high quality Facebook group. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you have any other Facebook questions, make sure you check my Facebook tutorials playlist. I have a ton of useful short tutorials that, well, I hope they're useful. I hope they'll help you. If there's anything you want to know that you can't find on my channel, make sure you post a question in the comments, and I'll be very happy to research it and make a video for you about it. This channel really is for you. It's to serve you. I try to publish content that is going to help you. So I love questions really, because it gives me ideas of content that is going to be helpful to people. So just never hesitate to ask a question in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. So there you go. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.